Hello students, this is a program which will show you the use of do loop as well as while loop. So in the starting we have taken while loop, and here is a simple code. We have made a variable a and we have assigned the value of a as 1, and we have written while a is less than 15, means as long as the value of a is less than 15. You have to read this while loop this way. As long as the value of a is less than 15, then what? Then do this what? Whatever is in between these two curly braces, इन दो curly braces के बीच जो कुछ भी होगा वो सारा काम होगा. Although I have provided only one statement like the value of a. So let us see this working, how it works. Do and while separately are keywords, but do while together is not a keyword. So I have given this name. It executed, I mean compiled nicely, no problems there. Now see, it is continuously printing the value of a like this. Why so? Let it print and let us try to understand this. Why this is happening? This is continuously printing the value of a. Okay, so let us try to learn this with the help of another variable. Let us introduce another variable like b equals 0 or 1, anything, and let us print the value of b also. Why I'm making this program? Just to make the point clear to you. Value of b and b. Okay, save it and compile it and then run it. Look, value of a, value of b, value of a, value of b, both values variables are 1, so it's printing 1 1 1 1. Then what? Then let us do something else. Stop it by pressing control C. Control C you can use for breaking it in between. So this is the example of non-terminating loop, non-ending loop. It will never end. Why? Because this condition will be always true. Why? Because the value of a is 1, and here the condition is written what? As long as a is less than 15, less than or equal to 15, do this. So nothing is happening to the value of a. We are neither increasing it or decreasing it. So this is happening. So let us do one thing. Let us first increase the value of b in the loop. Inside the loop, I have written b plus plus. What it does, you know it. It just simply increment 1 in the value. And now let us compile this. So look, if you'll see it, you'll find that value of a is 1, but value of b is increasing 1 1 1 1 like this. And since the if something is happening, then it is happening to b, but b is not being tested here. A is tested and nothing is happening to a. Say so this again it will continue looping. Then what we can do? We need to also increase the value of a so that it would reach its target value like this 15, and so then it will stop. Hmm. Let us forcefully stop by pressing Control C, then compile it back, run it. Now see, 1 1 a 2 b2 also, and see till 15 it goes when and then stop. So this is how the loop works, the while loop works. Here, of course, there is no use of b. I have just written b to show you that yes, anything could be written. And yes, if we'll increase b is equal to b plus 5, we are adding 5 to the b, and only we are adding 1 to a, means a plus plus means 1, adding 1 to a. Now let us see what happens. You have to experiment with it and have to learn. Look, A is 1, B is 1. Then what? A plus plus made it A 2 and B plus 5 means B's value is 1 plus 5. That made it 6. A is incrementing 1, it's incrementing 5. The same way you can see A is going till 15, but B is going till 71 because it's A which is the loop variable. It's the A is controlling the loop. What will happen if we'll add instead of A plus plus, we'll write A plus 6. Let us see what happens. Look what is happening. A is 1, B is 1. Then 6 is added to A, so it becomes 7. And 5 is added to B, so we get 5. Then again 7 plus 6, 13. And in the next round, when 7 more is added, A became 20. And then this condition became false, so it just came out of the loop. And you can see what is happening when it comes out of the loop. Let us print the value of A and B out of the loop. Okay, out of the loop. Like a message to just show. If you want to learn more about while and do while, another video is also uploaded. You can watch those videos also. These are simple. If you have understood for loop, no, then this will be not any useful for you. Look, that a 13 plus 6, 19, and out of loop. They are out of loop. This is what this is how it works. Now you can use while loop anywhere. Anywhere means suppose we want to print a table, you can use while loop. If you want to do anything, you can use it. Let us do something like if you want to print the sum of the positive numbers only, okay, then what we can do? A equals n dot next int. We are inputting that number to A. And if we want to sum only the positive numbers, then we'll need to write while A is greater than 0. Means it will enter the loop when this condition will be fulfilled. And when it will be fulfilled, when A is greater than 0 means what? Means A is a positive number. Less than 0 means A is a negative number. B is equal to B plus A. A is the number. And again, ask for the number like this. Uh, One query has came that is which is asking that how the loop stops. So loop only stops or continue according to this condition. As long as this condition is fulfilled, as long as the given condition while a is greater than 0 and all, whatever condition you are given, as long as it is true, then the loop will work. When that condition become false, it will stop. It will come out of the loop. This will become clear when you will see this. And always remember, computer or program only does whatever instructions you are giving. No need to get confused. Look now how this program is designed. First, we are making some arrangement for inputting and we are making some variables. Then enter a number, any number you enter. And if that number is greater than a, then it will do what? It will make the sum of that number. B's value is 0, initial value is 0. B is like a container. Whatever the value of a is, मान लो कि a का value 5 है. B एक खाली container है, having nothing in it. B में जो कुछ भी है प्लस a उसमें डाल दो. 5 है तो 5 डाला गया. अगली बार हम 6 डाले तो B का वैल्यू 5 था, फिर उसमें 6 तो 11 हो जाएगा. इस तरह से कंटेनर है, एक्यूमुलेट कर रहा है, वो जमा करते जाएगा. मगर ये कब करेगा? एज लॉन्ग एज a is greater than. Now what I am doing, I am inputting the number inside the loop so that the value of a is decided. ए का वैल्यू बदलता रहेगा तभी तो ये लूप चलेगा, चलता रहेगा या रुकेगा, ये तय होगा. तो फिर मैंने डाला मान लो 6, तो फिर उसको चेक करेगा इज 6 ग्रेटर देन 0 या 6 पॉजिटिव नंबर ग्रेटर, तो वो अगेन इसमें आएगा. फिर नंबर मांगेगा, हम डाल दिए -7, तो इज -7 ग्रेटर देन 0, नो, तो ये लूप में जाएगा ही नहीं, फिर बाहर आ जाएगा, ये सब दिखलाएगा. सो लेट अस वंस सी दिस. एंड यस, ओनली वॉचिंग इज नॉट एट ऑल इनफ. प्रैक्टिस तो हर हाल में यू विल हैव टू डू. Enter a number. Let us put any number 8, again 9, again 6, again 3, again 1. Now this time let us put -5. तो -5 जैसे ही डाले वो ये कंडीशन फेल हो गया, और जब तक वो कंडीशन ट्रू रहा वो सबको जोड़ता चला गया. आप जोड़ के देख लीजिए. 9 + 8 17, 17 + 6 23 एंड 3 26 + 1 27. ये सम है हमारा. लूप से आप बाहर आने के बाद ये ए का वैल्यू भी दिखा रहा है आपको और बी का वैल्यू भी दिखा रहा है. तो ये सम ऑफ पॉजिटिव नंबर से करने का एक प्रोग्राम बन गया. अब जब तक डाल सकते हो पॉजिटिव नंबर डाल सकते हो. फॉर लूप में क्या होता है, वी नीड टू प्रोवाइड अ लिमिट. ऑल्दो यू कैन मेक this kind of program using for loop also, but I'm just simply showing you the use of while loop. Once again you so see this. As long as, जब तक तुम्हें मन है तुम नंबर डालते जाओ, जब तक कोई मतलब ये नहीं है. एंड जब आपको रुकना है तो इस कंडीशन को फेल कर दो, यानी तब तक ये जोड़ रहा है जब तक ए इज ग्रेटर देन 0. अगर हम 0 डाल देते हैं या माइनस में कोई नंबर डाल देते हैं, then it will stop, and after stopping it will show you the sum of numbers. A simple calculator is made out of this while loop. So this is how a while loop is working. Now let me show you so this is how while loop can be used for making a program. Here you can see what we are. Let us try to understand it properly. One thing you have to keep in your mind is while loop is working, or the containts inside these curly braces will only work as long as this condition is true. Every time for looping this condition is tested. Every time is tested, means it will go till here, and as and when this encounters this, it goes back and see whether a is greater than 0 or not. If a is greater than 0, if this condition is true, then it will again enter the loop and do the things whatever you have given, and then again it will check whether a is. So we need to change the value of a if you want to stop a loop anyhow. मतलब लूप को अगर नॉन एंडिंग बनाना है तो हमें लूप वेरिएबल के साथ मैंने उसको बदलना पड़ेगा. अगर वो लूप वेरिएबल नहीं बदलेगा तो it will never end. That we saw in the beginning only. So what we are doing here is about this code I have already discussed in our previous classes, that this is used for adding the given numbers. ये accumulator इस तरह के वेरिएबल को कहते हैं. What it does, it simply, जैसे इसको ऐसे मान लो ना भाई, जैसे एक कंटेनर है, तुम उसमें गुल्लक की तरह समझ लो, गुल्लक की तरह है ना, जिसमें पैसा जमा करते हैं. वो बी वेरिएबल गुल्लक है इस केस में. शुरू में बी वेरिएबल खाली गुल्लक था, हैविंग 0. अब हमने इस एग्जांपल से समझो, मैंने उसमें 78 रुपया डाला. अब वी पुट 78 रुपीज. देन अगेन सेकंड राउंड वी पुट 3 रुपीज. देन इन थर्ड राउंड वी पुट 98 रुपीज. तो ये उसमें जमा होते जा रहा है. शुरू में 78 था, प्लस 3 क्या हो जाएगा 81, एंड देन 98, और इस तरह से जुड़ते चला जा रहा है. ये एक्यूमुलेटर की तरह काम करता है. इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लम इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइन नंबर 12, यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस इट. Why I'm discussing this? Some query is coming regarding this. That's why. And then what we are doing? We are giving a message कि भैया enter a number. ये जो आ रहा है, फिर हम नंबर उसमें जो भी डाल रहे हैं वो ए में जा रहा है, यानी ए का वैल्यू को हम छेड़ रहे हैं, बदल रहे हैं। ए का वैल्यू शुरू में 78 था, बदल के वो 3 हो गया, और बार बार ये चेक भी हो रहा है। तो इस सारे केसेस में 78, 3 या 98, 52, 41, इस सभी केसेस में ये कंडीशन ट्रू होते जा रहा है। व्हाई? बिकॉज ए इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0, एंड व्हेन आई नीडेड टू स्टॉप इट, I did what? I put it 0, which is not greater than 0, or I can put a negative number. Then what happened? Then the loop will stop. It will not continue, and then it will come after the loop, means out of the loop. Then these things are there, and which is printing the value of A or B, whatever is there. तो इस तरह से काम हो रहा है. So let us now see what while loop we have seen. Let us see do while loop. So there is a simple and one difference between while and do while. The only simple difference is, let me just change this program to show you that. We just write this like this. इसको यहाँ से cut कर दीजिए and you paste it here and just write it do here. That's it. And now run it and see what is happening. Compile it first. Here it is needed. Condition testing. Now compile it and will work like it was working. -1 और 0, 0 से कोई भी छोटा नंबर डाल दो तो ये सम दिखा रहा है। अब ये कैसे काम कर रहा है उसको समझेंगे हम लोग। एक्चुअली while loop is known as entry control loop. Entry control loop means while entering the loop, or it is controlled during the entry time. I mean, when it is trying to enter the loop, then and there the condition is checked whether it is fulfilling the condition or not. Means when it was in the beginning, when we were using only while loop, there was no do while. Then what was happening? While loop first checks the condition, whether the condition is true or false, and according to the condition, if it is true, then it will only enter the loop. If the condition is true, I'm discussing the while loop first. While loop क्या करता है? जब कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगा तभी लूप के अंदर आपको अलाउ करेगा, या तभी लूप का काम करेगा, या तभी लूप के अंदर एंट्री करेगा, है ना? मगर डू वाइल लूप क्या करता है? क्योंकि यहाँ डू पहले लिखा हुआ है, वाइल बाद में लिखा हुआ है। डू लूप क्या करता है? एक बार कम से कम वो लूप में जाएगा ही। वो पहला राउंड में या पहली बार में चेक नहीं करता है कि वेदर द गिवन कंडीशन इज ट्रू और नॉट. ओके, इट एंटर्स द लूप, डू द टास्क इन द लूप, एंड देन निकलते समय के बाद चेक करता है, दैट्स व्हाट कॉल्ड एग्जिट कंट्रोल लूप, वेदर द कंडीशन इज फुलफिल्ड और नॉट. और सेकेंड राउंड, पहली बार तो वो घुसेगा किसी भी कीमत पर, यानी पहली डू वाइल लूप में क्या होता है? लूप का काम एक बार कम से कम होगा, पहली बार होगा. अब ये दूसरी बार लूपिंग होगा कि नहीं वो तय होता है इस कंडीशन पर. तो यही एक छोटा सा अंतर है. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन द डू लूप and the while loop. So while loop first checks the condition and then it enters the loop, but do while it enters the loop first, it do the task that is given in the loop, and then it checks the condition, and if the condition is true, then it repeats the loop, otherwise it stops. Okay, so this is how it works. Now let us reset this program and see how it is working. Reset means इसको पहले की तरह कर देते हैं. मान लो कि a का वैल्यू है a is equal to -7. शुरू में ही a का वैल्यू हम इनिशियलाइज कर रहे हैं -7 से. तो एक्चुअली यहाँ पर क्या है कि इस लाइन को थोड़ा हटा देते हैं हम लोग. हाँ, इंटर नंबर वहां पे नहीं करते. अभी हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि वो लूप में जाएगा कि नहीं. चलो कंपाइल करिए. प्रैक्टिस से ही सीखा जा सकता है इन चीजों को, सिर्फ देख के थोड़ा मुश्किल है. So I request you all to practice in a different way. Look, as per the instruction, enter a number. I have of course written enter a number. We are modifying the program, but we have erased the code for inputting a number. After this, we have to define variables where the i's value a, the value of a is -7. It checked the condition while a is greater than 0. Means it is mentioned here, or condition is given कि इस लूप में तभी अंदर जाना है जब a is greater than 0, but what is a is -7, that is not greater than 0. So this condition became false, and if this condition has become false, then what? From this curly brace to this curly brace is part of while loop, so these things will not be executed at all. Why? Because the condition has become false, because the value of a is -7, which is not greater than 0, which is less than 0. So this condition became false, so these things will not be done. So, and these codes are out of the loop, so has to be executed now. This is out of loop, it's telling you out of loop. Now the value of a is 0 and value of b has nothing had been changed to b, so it is 0. So this is how this is working. Now let us give some initial value to a, like a 1. Okay, now let us see, compile it, run it. Enter a number, enter a number. This is because of this line. You can erase this line also, no issue. But a is greater than 1, so what is happening? What is happening? A is greater than 0. तो ए तो 1 है भाई, विच इज ग्रेटर देन 0, तो ये लूप में घुस गया तो क्या हुआ, वही एक्यूमुलेटर में ए 1 डाल दिया, बी का वैल्यू, एंड फिर पूछ रहा है इंटर नंबर, यानी पहला वैल्यू ए का 1 है, फिर इंटर नंबर, तो अब हम 8 डाले, विच इज ग्रेटर देन 0. सो अगेन दिस लूप विल वर्क, फिर 9 डाले, अब कोई नेगेटिव नंबर डाल दे, वो स्टॉप हो गया. और आप जब जोड़िएगा तो ये देखिए, 8 प्लस 9, दिस इज 17, 17 प्लस 12, दैट इज 29, और ये 1 शुरू में जो हम डाले थे ए का वैल्यू, वो 1, सब मिला के 30. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज वर्किंग. नाउ लेट अस डू वन थिंग, चेंज दिस अगेन एंड लेट अस राइट हियर डू व्हाइल 2. अब ए का वैल्यू क्या है, माइनस है, प्लस है, जीरो है, क्या है, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, लूप में वो एक बार जरूर घुसेगा. सो लेट अस ट्राई. इंटर नंबर, देखिए, इवन इफ ए इज नेगेटिव, फिर भी वो लूप में घुसा है. क्यों? क्योंकि यही तो है डू वाइल लूप. डू वाइल एग्जिट कंट्रोल लूप है, वो एग्जिट करते समय वो लूप को कंट्रोल करता है कि वेदर द लूप विल बी कंटिन्यूड और नॉट. Otherwise, it will enter loop once, at least once, irrespective of the whether condition is fulfilling or not. वो घुस गया लूप में. b इजकल टू बी प्लस ए का वैल्यू क्या है, -5, यानी गुल्लक से -5 निकाल लीजिए आप, -5 उसका ऑलरेडी हो गया वैल्यू. आप कोई नंबर डालते हैं, लाइक 10, लाइक 20, लाइक 15, और अब ये तब तक लूप चलेगा जब तक ए का वैल्यू हम ग्रेटर देन 0 डाल रहे हैं. जैसे ही 0 या नेगेटिव डाल देंगे, वो रुक जाएगा. और आप जब जोड़िएगा तो आपको समझ में आएगा क्या. 20 प्लस 10, 30 प्लस 15, 45, और इनिशियल वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज -5, सो उसमें से 45 में से 5 घटा के दिखा रहा है हमारा 40. So for few of you, this might be little confusing, but practice could make it easy for you. You will need to practice. If you practice, it will become easy. So now let us conclude. You can make any program using do, while, for. So why for learning do what? Whatever program you can make with the for loop, try it making with the do loop as well as with while loop. Whatever you can make with the while loop, you just try with the for also. And this is how you can learn that yes, anything could be done with any loop, but different loops are given for different situations. You can use that as your requirement, and please practice to learn it well. So thank you for today, dear students. If you have any query, you may raise the query. See you in the next class.